Welcome to this fitness video on how to reduce your back pain. My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and I'm a physical therapist that works for the Veterans Health Administration. And I'm so excited in this video to show you a couple simple tips to help you reduce your back pain. Now, I want to really quickly put a disclaimer in here, is that if you have back pain due to some sort of mechanical injury, then please do not do these exercises. This is for chronic or repetitive back pain. If you have back pain due to a recent injury, recent accident, then please check with your physician first before doing any of these exercises. Okay, so with that said, let's begin our couple simple exercises to help prevent and reduce your back pain. Now, the first one is massage. I'm a fan of massage, and you can actually do it yourself without having to go anywhere and without having to purchase anything more than a simple lacrosse ball or tennis ball. Now, if you do have a foam roller, that is also a great thing to purchase and a great thing to use as well to help just reduce your muscle pain through massage, and it can be used all over your body. But what we're going to do is we're going to take our ball and we're going to place it about where our pain is, and then we're going to lay down. And we're going to lay down, and then we're going to bend our knees, and we're going to lift our hips up a little bit, and then do a little rock, trying to find that painful point. And you may have to move the ball up or down to find that painful point. And then you can just rest there. You can go side to side. You can go up and down. Only you know where your painful position is. So use the ball and just move it around. And it's a good habit to move it around maybe a little bit higher or lower as well to get the other areas that may be starting to be affected as well by your pain. You're going to bring the ball to the other side of your spine, do the same thing. We do not place the ball along the spine, but beside it on both the right side and the left side, so that we're getting the muscles which are along the bone and not on the spine. Good. Okay, now that we've finished with our massage, and you'll find even just doing this little bit, a minute or so here and there, will really help you. But I also want to show you a simple exercise and a couple simple stretches that will really help hopefully reduce your low back pain. So in terms of the exercise, my favorite exercise for this is actually a hip strengthening exercise, because our hips are basically the cornerstone of our body. If our hips are strong, then our back won't have as much shearing motion. So to strengthen your hips, you're going to simply lay down, come onto your side, raise one leg up and hold. Now, if this is too easy, you can take a band and place a band around your knees, and that will provide extra tension. But if you hold this for 30 seconds or a minute, even a couple minutes, you'll start to feel that burn. This is strengthening your hip. We'll also do it on the other side as well. Now, other exercises could include core strengthening. The stronger our core is, the stronger we will be as well in the whole body, which will prevent also less shearing in the back and hopefully less pain. So a simple exercise you can do is keeping your back nice and neutral. We're going to simply raise our knees up, and we can either tap, or if this is too easy, we're going to start elongating our legs, keeping our back neutral the whole time. Now, if this is too easy, we're going to incorporate different arm motions. Now, if this is even too easy, go into a hold. All the time, we want to keep our core and our back neutral or straight. Now let's go into some stretches. So for our low back pain, we can take both of our knees, pull them in, and hold, feeling that stretch. We can also then bring our legs down, and we're going to rock to the side, and then we're going to rock to the other side. This is going to help stretch more of your back muscles as well, rocking to the side. During any of these stretches or exercises, if you feel significant pain, stop, discontinue and make sure then you talk to your physician about that specific exercise. The last stretch we're going to do is actually for our hip, because hip tightness can be related to back pain. So we're going to cross our legs. You can do this actually in sitting or laying down. And then we're going to pull our knee across our body and hold. Same thing on the other side, pulling across and hold. That's it for these simple exercises to hopefully help reduce your low back pain. Now, you may not feel significant results right away. Try to continue to do these exercises and stretches and massages for a couple days or a couple weeks to really see if it makes a difference in your pain. Thank you so much.